Good morning, my dear friends of class 10 students. I hope that you all are good. Now, already I sent the two videos for trigonometry. First one is the introduction part, what is the relation between the radians and the degrees. After that, values, relations, identities. Okay, I hope that you understand those formulas. Now, once again, I will explain the all. Already I sent it the two videos. Now, today actually we are discussing about the exercise 8.1. Okay, that's before just 10 minutes I will explain again the trigonometric ratios. How many trigonometric ratios are there? Okay, I will explain once again. Introduction to the trigonometry. Okay, you measure the three sides of the triangle is called the trigonometry. You measure the three sides of the triangle is called trigonometry. You measure the three sides of the triangle is called trigonometry. For suppose you will take the all the trigonometric how many trigonometric ratios are already explained in before class: sine, cos, sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant, and uh, cot. Six trigonometric ratios are there. Okay. Now those trigonometric ratios are defined in a right angle triangle only. For suppose we will take the right angle triangle again. Just I am applying the just small formulas. For suppose this is the right angle triangle. What is the right angle triangle? For suppose A, B, C. This is 90 degrees means we will define the trigonometric ratios from this angle or this angle also, no problem at all. For suppose at the angle A. For suppose this is theta. Okay. Now this is angle 90 degrees. Always opposite to the 90 degrees, always 100% hypotenuse. Karna. Theta opposite side is called opposite of the side or side opposite to the angle A or opposite side opposite to opposite side. Okay, now this is theta, this is called adjacent side. Remember this one, adjacent side. Okay, my dear students, already I explained all these things, but once again I remember that. Okay, now ratio means the two quantities. The ratio means the two quantities have the same units. Here observe that A, B, B, C, C are the compulsory length of the sides in centimeters or meters. First sine of the angle. Sine of the angle is the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse. This one by this one is called sine of the angle. First of all, angle is A. Suppose sine of the angle here, angle at angle A, that is BAC is equal to theta. That is sine of the angle A. Theta is at A. That is theta. Now, how to define this one? In a triangle, right angle triangle, 100% in a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, my dear friends. Now, sine theta. Sine theta definition 100% opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Already explained before video. Please go through the video once again. Okay. Opposite side by hypotenuse. This is sine theta. Next, cos theta. What happened? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side. Adjacent side. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, my dear students. H means hypotenuse. Okay. Next, third one is tan theta is the ratio of the sine and cos. Okay, that is tan theta. Tan theta is equal meaning sine theta by cos theta. Remember that one. What is the formula of tan A means sine A by cos A. Okay. Tan 30 degrees, sine 30 by cos 30 degrees. Okay, my dear students. Cos theta equal adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta equal sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta by cos theta means what happened, my dear students? This one by this one, hypotenuse cancel. What are the remaining? Opposite side. O yes by adjacent side. A yes. Now after the remaining three ratios, whenever we define the three ratios, remaining three ratios are the reciprocals of the above ratios. For suppose fourth one is there. What is the fourth one? For suppose cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of the tan theta. Reciprocal, for suppose, what is the meaning of reciprocal? For suppose 2 is there. What is the reciprocal of 2 with respect to multiplication means 1 by 2. Their product must should 1. Cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan theta means cot theta. If I suppose here 2 is there, we will write 1 by 2. Their product must should 1. Okay, my dear students. What happened this one? Now reciprocal means 1 by the cot theta and tan theta are the reciprocal. What is the meaning of that one? Cot theta, tan theta are the reciprocals means their product is equal to 1. And cos theta is the reciprocal of secant theta means their product is equal to 1. Next sin theta is reciprocal of cosecant theta, the product is equal to 1. Cosecant theta, sec theta, cosecant theta, CST, we'll write this one. Okay, that's why cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. What happened this one? Cot theta means 1 by tan theta means adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, my dear students. Next fifth one, secant theta. Secant theta already I explained this one. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta, that is equal to reciprocal of this one. Cos theta means hypotenuse by, H means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, last but not least, that is equal to cosecant theta, that is the reciprocal of the sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Sin theta means sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Reciprocal means hypotenuse by opposite side, my dear students. Okay, these are the, you remember, these are the formulas is going on. For suppose you observe that, for suppose you want the C, for suppose you want the angle C, that is whenever the C will take, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Okay, the total formulas changes 100%. You remember that one, my dear students. Now for suppose in the right angle triangle, for suppose two sides is given you, how to find the third side? For suppose this is right angle triangle, observe that. For suppose this is 1 is given, this is 3 is given, this is the triangle is ABC. Now find the hypotenuse. This is 90 degrees. How to find this one? Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal means AC square is equal sum of the sides of the squares, AB square plus BC square. Okay, my dear students. Now 9 plus 1, that equal 10. AC square is equal 10. That implies AC is equal to, you remember this formula. You remember this formula? Hypotenuse square equals sum of the squares of the two sides is called the Pythagoras theorem. What the Pythagoras theorem is going on means this one. Okay, before before classes you have to learn. Okay, my dear students. The sum of the squares of the two sides is called square of the third side, that is called the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle only, my dear students. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, observe that what is given. Tan A is given. What is the formula of tan A? First, the tan A or any trigonometric ratio are defined in a right angle triangle. That's why we will take the right angle triangle first. Draw the diagram. After that, we are going to the problem. For suppose A means the 100%, this is A, this is B, this is, you take A also, no problem. Here 90 degrees. This angle is 100% A. Okay, my dear students. Now in this side, this is adjacent side, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. First you write what is given, my dear students. They given tan A. Tan A means what is the formula of tan A? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sorry, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. What is given means tan A is given. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. That is equal opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, my dear students. Opposite side how much is given? Here opposite side is equal to 4 is given. Okay, my dear students, or you will take the 4k something. Directly you will take 4, no problem at all. Okay. Now for ratio is, this is the ratio means 16 by 9 also whatever maybe. This is will take 4. Adjacent is 3, 100% 3. Again we will take ratio means always it equal. First of all 4k 3k means this is in terms of k. Again cancellation is going on. Okay, no problem. This is 4, this is 3. Now by in a triangle ABC, what is the Pythagoras theorem? In a triangle ABC, I want AC square. Now first AC square is equal. What is the formula? AB square plus BC square. This is the formula. Say yes or no? Now you want only here AC square. AC square equal AB square means 9 plus 16. That equal how much? That equal 25. Now AC square is equal 25. AC is equal how much? Root 25. That is equal 5. My dear students. That implies AC is equal to 5. Means hypotenuse is equal. This is equal to 5. Hypotenuse is equal. Other trigonometric ratios means come sine first. First one is sine. Sine A. What is the definition of sine A? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? 4 by 5. Number 2, cos A. What is the definition of cos A? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? 3 by 5. Next, given tan A already given. Cot A. Cot A means reciprocal of the tan. Directly write the reciprocal of the tan. 1 by tan. Or what the formula? Adjacent side by cot A means, you know the formula. That's why I am telling you. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A means tan A 4 by 3. 1 by tan A means 3 by 4. Fourth one. Secant A is the reciprocal of the cos means 1 by cos A. Otherwise you read the formulas. 1 by cos A means 5 by 3. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, my dear students, this is cosecant A. Cosecant A is 1 by sin A means hypotenuse by opposite side, that is pi by 4. Very simple. In this way we will find the problems. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem, that is example 2, page number 178. Problem number 2. If angle B and angle Q are the acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q means you have to show that those triangles are similar triangles. Angle B and angle Q are the acute angles. Means 100%. You have to take the here two different triangles. Those two are the right angle triangles. For suppose here observe that this is, for suppose what is this? Q. This is P. For suppose this is Q. This is R. Now we will take A. Sorry, this is B. Okay, this is C. Here this is Q angle. This is B angle. Here Q. This is opposite side in this one. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. Okay, my dear students. B means this is opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Now let us consider the two right angle triangles. Let triangle ABC, comma triangle PQR are here 100% 90 degrees, 90 degrees. We don't know the what is meaning. First of all, whenever the angle B is equal to angle Q, must and should these two are congruent, means remaining parts must by CPCT 100% remaining parts must be equal. Okay, are congruent or right angle triangles. Let okay, my dear students. Now here from this one, from this angle, observe that from this one sin B, what happened? From this one sin B is equal to sin B is equal to what the formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AC by AB. Opposite side by hypotenuse, that equal AC by AB. Next cos B. Here from this triangle. In this triangle, this one. Next sin Q. What is same formula? Opposite side. Sin Q means PR. PR by PQ. This is given, my dear students. Already given. Sin B and sin. But sin B is equal to sin Q. Sin B is equal to sin Q. That is AC by AB is equal to PR by PQ. Okay, my dear students. What happened this one? Here, this is numerator. Now you will take this side. AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. What happened? Observe that AC by PR. This one. This side by this side is equal to AB. This side by this side. Okay, my dear students. Our goal is, but suppose this is equal to K. This is equal to K. Here AC is equal to KPR, AB is equal to KPQ. From what happened? AC is equal to K into PR, or suppose AB is equal to K into PQ. Now here in this way. Now first triangle, in a triangle ABC, Pythagoras theorem, what happened? Now we will take Pythagoras theorem is equal to AB square is equal. What is AB? AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square. Okay. AB square, okay, or BC square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now no problem at all. AB square is equal BC square plus CA square. Okay, AC square, no problem. AC square plus BC square. Okay, my dear students, we want here BC. What happened here? BC square is equal to what happened this one? AB square minus AC square. Okay, my dear students, AB square minus BC square. Okay, this is, I think you have understood. What is the AB square? That is equal to AB square means AB is equal to KPQ. That is what happened? K into K square PQ square minus K square PR square. Okay, my dear students. Now taken common K square into PQ square minus PR square. Now second triangle. Observe that in a triangle PRQ, what about PQ square? PQ square is equal, hypotenuse square is equal to QR square, PR square plus RQ square. Okay, CBR BC QR square, no problem at all. From this one we want QR square. QR square is equal to PQ square minus PR square. Here PQ square minus PR square is equal to 100%. That is, therefore BC square is equal, this is BC is equal to K square into this value. What is this value? That is QR square. Now BC square by QR square is equal to how much? K square. What happened this one? BC by QR is equal to K. Okay, my dear students, observe that one important formula is going on. Now I am writing here. Okay, now this is AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ, that is equal to K, my dear students. Now AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to what happened? K. K means BC by QR. What happened? All sides are equal and reciprocals. This AC is equal to this one. This the one is equal to this one. This one equal to this one. What happened? By CPCT means congruent properties of all triangles must be equal. Means by CPCT, the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Means all angles must be equal. Remaining parts must be equal. Okay, remaining parts must be equal means this angle equal, this also equal, this also equal. Therefore, angle A, angle B is equal angle Q. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will do the problems. Okay. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. What the next problem is going on? Here considered ACB is a right angle. ACB is a right angle. Let's see. Now we will take the ACB triangle. You cannot take the vertices in zigzag. This is a 100% right angle at C. This is 90 degrees means 100% here C. We will change here A, here B, no problem. ACB here or ACB here. Okay, whenever this is 90 means this is 100% hypotenuse. Okay, what is given? Theta is clearly given. Angle ABC, angle AB at B. You observe that at the middle of B is theta. Here theta is there, means means at the angle B is theta, means theta opposite is called opposite side, this is called adjacent side. Okay, my dear friends. Here what is given? Here angle ACB solution, angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees, Next, what is given means AB is equal to 29 is given. This is 29 is given. Units. BC is equal to 21 units is given. BC here this is 21. Okay. Units. Now we will find the this one AC square. Now using Pythagoras in a triangle ACB, first you will find the, after that cos theta sin theta will find. Okay, in a triangle ACB. Now first AB square is equal to, yes, yes or no, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, no problem at all. From this one you find AC square. Now AC square is equal to AB square minus BC square plus this side minus. Now AB means 29, 29 whole square minus BC means 21 whole square. Don't calculate the 29 whole square, 21 whole square. Directly A square minus B square formula. You know that A square minus B square formula. A square minus B square equal to A minus B into A plus B, my dear students. Okay. Now what happened? 29 minus 21 into 29 plus 21. Okay, simple. This is square, my dear student. AC square. 29 minus 21 means 8. This is how much? 50. That is equal to 400. This is AC square. Now AC is equal root 400. Root 400 is equal to how much? This is root 20 square. Square root cancel. Now this is 20. This side is equal to 20. Now from this triangle, what about sin theta, cos theta? First find. Okay, in a triangle ABC, now we have cos theta is equal to cos theta definition. What is the cos theta definition? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, 21 by 29. Now sin theta definition. What is the definition of sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse, means 20 by 29. Okay, my dear students. What happened this one? First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now, or cos square theta, whatever may be, cos square theta plus sin square theta. 20 by 29 whole square plus 21 by 29 whole square. What is the 20 square? 400 by 29 whole square, 841, plus 21 whole square means 441 by 841. What is the LCM? 841. Bases are equal. Numerator should 400 plus 441, 841. This one cancel. This is one. Identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Number 2, cos, here minus is there. Okay, compulsory in this way you will take cos square theta minus sin square theta, my dear students. Cos square theta value already you know, cos square theta 441 by 841 minus 400 by 841. What happened? 441 minus 400 means 41 by 841. In this way we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, what is given in a right angle triangle ABC? Right angle at B. Okay, now we will take the right angle triangle here, no problem. At B is the right angle triangle at B first. Now remaining we will take here A, here B, no problem at all. Okay, here C first, sorry. This is C. This 100% 90 degrees means this is opposite side. Here what? Sin A, they asking the sin A means here this is the angle. Okay, don't confuse. They asking the sin A means here the angle. This is called opposite side. 100% this is adjacent to the angle. This is called adjacent side. Now what is given? First diagram is completed. Given tan A is equal to 1. What is the meaning of tan A? What the meaning of tan A means? What the meaning of tan A is equal to 1 means this is 1 by 1. This is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, my dear students. Opposite side is 1, adjacent side is 1. Now we will find the hypotenuse. This is, sorry, 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. What I am thinking? Okay, hypotenuse. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now we will find the hypotenuse square. Now h square is equal. Directly write h square in a triangle ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, my dear students. Now that equal to 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2. Now AC square is equal to AC is equal root 2. Hypotenuse is equal root 2, my dear students. Now in a triangle same we have find the sine A. What is the definition of sine A? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? 1 by hypotenuse is root 2. Next cos A. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? 1 by hypotenuse is root 2. Okay. Now take the LHS. Verify means take the LHS. That is 2 sin A cos A. Now I have to show that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. 2 into sin A. Sin A means 1 by root 2. Cos A means 1 by root 2. 2 into 1, 2 into, okay, 1 into 1, 1 by root 2 into root 2 means 2. 2 to cancel. What is the answer? Therefore, 2 sin A cos A 100% is equal to 1. But you understood or not? Yes. Okay, my dear students, you have to observe that in a triangle OPQ, right angle at P. Okay, right angle at P, OPQ triangle. You will take any way, my dear students. But suppose this is O, here P, here Q, OPQ. Here 90 degrees. Right angle, sorry, oh, I mistake. Right angle at P. Sorry, this is P. This is P. This is for suppose O. Okay, O, P, Q. No problem. Right angle at P clearly is given. And this is 100% hypotenuse. Now you have discussed about the Q angle. Means this is Q. Angle is this one. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. What is given? OP 7 is given. Okay, my dear students. OP means this one. 7 centimeters is given. And what is given? OQ minus OP. Observe that. Given OQ minus OP is equal to 1. OQ minus OP. This OQ minus OP is equal to how much is given? 1 is given. From this one, OP already how much is given means 7. OQ minus, OQ minus this is PQ. Okay, OQ minus OP not, my dear boys. This is PQ. Okay, this is PQ. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 means OQ minus PQ. This difference is equal to 1. From this one, OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Remember this one. Okay. Minus this side plus side. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle OPQ. Now OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Hypotenuse square equals side square plus side square. Okay, my dear friends. Now OQ already given, 1 plus PQ is given, 1 plus PQ whole square is equal to OP square already given. OP means 7 square means 49 plus PQ square. A plus B whole square formula. A square 1 plus B square PQ square plus 2AB means 2PQ is equal 49 plus PQ square. Now PQ square cancel. Okay, my dear students. 1 plus 2PQ is equal to 49. That implies 2PQ is equal to 49 minus 1. 2PQ is equal to 48. Now PQ is equal to 48 by 2. That equal 24. PQ 24 means therefore OQ is equal to, now here PQ is equal to 24. Okay, my dear friends. Now PQ substitute in this one. OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Now 1 plus PQ means 24. That equal 25. OQ is 25. Okay, my dear friends. This is 25. PQ. Here this is 24. OQ means this is 25. Now write the formulas. Same triangle we have. Okay, my dear students, we have the same triangle. What happened? Sine Q. What the definition of sine Q? Q means this is opposite side by hypotenuse. That equals 7 by 25. Next cos Q. What is the cos Q? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side is 24 by 25. Therefore, sine Q is equal to 7 by 25 and cos q is equal 24 by 25. My dear students, I hope that you understood the all problems. Okay, in this way we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students. Okay, I hope that you understood the concept of the trigonometric functions. Before I send the two videos, please watch the two videos, and we are going to, after that we are going to the exercise. Okay, my dear students, thank you one and all.